Mike the Disgruntled Mechanic here. This is the Shameless Plug video. Winter's coming, and what I have available in my store on the shelf down below by Teespring, especially for the cold weather, is the Disgruntled Mechanic pullover, pocketed hoodie. If you would like to purchase one to help out old TDM, please feel free to. There's some other things down there. Coffee mug, sticker. The t-shirts I don't care for too much, but if you would like to help me out, I'd appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching the Shameless Plug.
Oh, you dirty, rotten bolt! How could you break off? You dirty, rotten mother! Oh, dirty, rotten! How dare you break? Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Not again! Oh, man alive! Son of a... Oh, I can't believe it broke off! Jesus! No wonder I'm the disgruntled mechanic!